As far as Doge support floor, it truly is presently $0.056 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost investigation generally is bullish today, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin by and large has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, or so they thought. Doge fall 1% in 7 days, or so they in every practical sense thought. 23 December 2023, in this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually essentially got clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense, Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically is very critical. However, prior to plunging profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations in a significant way. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,659,3,959,381 in a huge manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $54,944,006,000. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that the sort of complete exchanging volume, especially various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is very huge. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period in an especially significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25, or so they fundamentally thought. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.81% in Esteem, kind of additional appearance, how the very complete exchanging volume especially remains at $54,944,631,622 in a really significant manner. These occasions especially show that the market essentially is going in a by and large descending bearing for most certainly present moment, so yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us discuss the extremely right now, a kind of broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that the by and large complete exchanging volume especially remains at $54,944,631,622, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a very significant manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%. Exhibiting that the really all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $54,944,631,622 in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which vendors sort of move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, certainly is at $0.093, up 0.23% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 1% over the course of the week, which explicitly shows that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%. Exhibiting that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $54,944,631,622, or so they sort of thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is $449,691,943.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $13,253,276,296 United States dollars, exhibiting that moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume, explicitly remains at $54,944,631,622. Or so they truly thought. There generally are practically 142,349,496,384 by and large are available for use out of 142,349,496,384, which fundamentally shows that however prior to jumping truly profound into the Doge specialized examination, essentially let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for 23 December 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period, really made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Dogecoin. So Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which sort of is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, commonly signaled by and large, is truly conceivable at this reach, which especially shows what really brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, which for the most part is very critical. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day outline, so as of now, a general commonly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that the truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $54,944,631,622 in a really significant manner. The very relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Dogecoin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24 in every practical sense. Further appearance, how the kind of relative strength list, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 24 in a truly significant manner. Doge cost especially is moving in sideways